kids are aware that drugs are bad, and they keep far, far away from them. But did you know that alcohol is a drug too? Did you know that alcohol...
Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 48 and 59. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Durango, Pennsylvania. Southern Portage County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Mahoning County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Montreal to near Louisville to Dover, moving at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hampton, Seattle, Greene, Alliance, North Kingston, Louisville, Sebring, Montreal, Minerva, Hartfield, Waynesburg, East Sparta, Randolph, Atwater, Ellsworth, East Canton, Beloit, Deerfield, Myers Lake, and Hills and Dales. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Mahoning, Portage, and Stark. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Conneaut to Islay, New York. Open waters from Conneaut to Islay, New York, until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:08 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Erie, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Intact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Erie. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central Erie, Pennsylvania, north central Crawford County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Edinburgh, or 12 miles north of Meadville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Edinburgh, Cambridge Springs, Mill Village, Angle, and Woodcock. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania, Crawford, and Erie. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 564, effective until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Chicago, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Monona, Portage, Summit, and the following marine locations in Avon Point to Geneva on the lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaged winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 564 has been issued until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Geneva on the Lake. And listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 564 has been issued until 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashtabula, Cuyahoga, Erie, Geauga, Huron, Lake, Lorraine, Medina, Portage, and Summit, and the following marine locations: Avon Point to Geneva on the Lake. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Lorraine, Medina, and Richmond. This is no weather. Thunderstorm warning for Huron County, Ottawa County in northwestern Ohio, northeastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, eastern Sandusky County in northwestern Ohio, western Lorraine County until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Oak Harbor to near Tiffin, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lorraine, Elyria, Sandusky, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Fort Clinton, Amherst, Bellevue, Klein, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, Northern Milan, Wakeland, Castalia, Oberlin, and South Amherst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Lorain, Ottawa, Sandusky, and Seneca. Urgent weather message. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Richmond County, southwestern Huron County, Ashland County, Morrow County, Knox County, until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from nearly Washington to near Waldo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Mount Vernon, Mount Gilead, Shelby, Ontario, Lexington, Fredericktown, New London, Gambier, Utica, Cardington, Belleville, Plymouth, Centerburg, Ashley, Hayesville, Savannah, Hope, and Chesterville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Knox, Morrow, and Richmond. Urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Montgomery County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorain County, eastern Knox County, Holmes County in northeastern Ohio, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:27 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near New London to 7 miles northwest of Loudonville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Worcester, Ashland, Millersburg, Wadsworth, Orville, Berlin, Redmond, Walnut Creek, Doylestown, Lodi, Loudonville, Gambier, Crescent, Dalton, Shreve, West Salem, Danville, Kilbuck, Chippewa-Lake, and Hayesville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Knox, Lorain, Long Island, and Wayne.
At 10:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Thursday, August 3rd, 2023. A severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for growth, early, southern Washington.
What is happening? Why is this coming through on channel 7? Huh?
This is a statewide test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System, originating from the State Emergency Operations Center in Columbus. This is only a test. The Ohio Emergency Alert System is designed to provide the public with timely warnings and emergency information. Had this been an actual emergency, you would have received instructions and information related to that emergency over this and other stations in your area. This concludes this test of the Ohio Emergency Alert System.
It do kind of be Wednesday.
This is a test of the National Weather Radio launched for the key area of northwest from the area of northeast Ohio. The line for the area of northwest receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Test of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm. At 11 a.m.
Pięknej grupie nie ruszamy bez prawa. Popapiła wlekie, nam lekko maletkie. W twojej pięknej grupie nie ruszamy bez prawa. Popapiła wlekie, nam lekko maletkie. W twojej pięknej